Good afternoon, dear customers. Ajit here from Arpos 7 team. Today we have the session, for that our ready-made garments and our retail segment. Is salesman commission. This is one of the important point on which we are focusing actually a lot. So in the salesman commission, how the salesman commission is working, and what is the purpose of salesman commission, what type of salesman commission we have in GoFrugal, and how we can configure the salesman commissions up to report. So today I am going to explain you about that salesman commission overall process and the module. Before that, I want to explain, actually we have that complete help document also. For that, I will open that parallelly. So if you want to know something, you will miss something, from this conversation or from this KT session. So you can go to our help document, and you can get that detail from there. So basically today I will focus through help document only, because we are getting a lot of we can say usability issue, like we have that help documents and videos, but our valuable customers are unable to use somewhere. So today I will explain you that complete module, complete that salesman commission process with help document. So how you can get help from help document, this will be the one add-on part of this session today. So let's start. First I want to explain you what is the purpose of salesman commission. First thing, actually to calculate that commission for your salesman, you can save your salesman name in salesman master, and you can define the slab based on your fast moving or slow moving items or category, and you can define that commission percentage and amount also. So based on your assigned percentage and amount, you will get a report end of the month or weekly. If you are going to pay to your salesman, so you will get a report end of the month. So you will have a clear picture about that whatever target he achieved, how much sale he made, and whatever that total transaction under this particular supplier, salesman, and if there is a 4 or 5 salesmen, so you can have a comparison list also. Second thing, if you are making any sales return from the sales bill screen, so it will adjust automatically that whatever sales that salesman commission already added in that salesman report, that will automatically adjust reverse if you will adjust the sales return from the sale bill screen. Third is, you can define your current salesman commission based on your current stock, like non-moving stock based on category, like this, and you can set that salesman commission based on item also, particular item, like this you can set. And as I told, you can set that salesman commission based on percentage and amount also, like you want to give 10 rupees on each item, 20 rupees on each item, or 2% or 3% or 5% or 0.5%, like this. So you can define that salesman commission slab based on percentage and amount both. So here I will explain you one by one whatever the modules we have in our product. This is related to sales, so you will get this complete detail in the sales menu. Go to masters. Here you will get salesman commission. I will explain you first of all whatever that salesman slab or commission or related to menu whatever salesman related menu we have, we will explain that. First is salesman master, where you can create the all masters salesman, like your salesman name. Next is salesman commission slab. Here you can configure that slab. Here you can set that salesman commission. And one more newly released, we have the salesman commission new. So this is based on scheme. So if any scheme is going on particular product or particular category, how much your salesman is able to achieve the target. So based on that you can define that salesman commission for that particular salesman. So first of all we have to create one salesman. You can search that salesman master from that search menu, from that search button. Select the salesman master. Here I want to clear you one thing. We have two type of commission in our shop or in our business. First is salesman commission, second is agent commission. Agent means like you have one person who is giving a reference to you, who is not really in your shop, or is not your direct employee. Maybe he is an indirect employee, or he is giving reference to you. So that is called agent commission. So you can define that commission for that particular agent also. If he is giving reference on regular basis, so monthly you can make the payment based on report. So you can define that commission based on agent or based on salesman. So first of all it will ask, is it agent commission or this is a salesman? So this is not agent, we will select the salesman. By default it will be no. Here you can give the salesman name. Okay, so if you want to give any overall percentage, like whatever sale you will make or whatever bill under this salesman, whatever transaction will be, so on that I will give 2%. So like this you can give overall commission based on that overall sale. But if you want to define it, like I will give that commission based on product, based on period, based on scheme, based on category. So for that you have to go to another menu. So here if you will, this is not a mandatory, this is one point. Second point I want to cover here, that type of commission. How many types we have for that commission? Regular, like I selected now, this is regular. Aging, like you can give monthly target, like from 1st August to 10th August on this particular brand, on this particular stock, or on this particular category, you will get 5% commission. After that, as this is a month end kind of thing, or this is like out of season or stock clearing kind of thing, so you can define that commission based on age. Like 1st August to 10th August I will give 5%, then I will give 10%, then I will 12%. Like this you can define the age. Next will be scheme. Like you are clearing some stock, or you have one scheme based on that stock. So based on that scheme you want to give that commission to your salesman. Okay, so like this you can define. After this is only the two important points are there while you are creating that salesman master. I will repeat again, commission, if you want to give overall commission to that particular your salesman, so that you can define here 5%. Like you are giving in item master 5% discount, or you are giving in customer master, he is getting 10% discount. But if you want to customize it, like I will give based on item, I will give based on category, based on period, based on scheme, based on stock or non-moving stock. So you have to select that commission type here. So regular will be regular, as I told you, and aging will be based on age. Like first 10 days you will get 5%, then 10%, then 20%, sorry 15% or 20%, whatever. And scheme is based on your stock clearing or non-moving item, based on category, based on item kind of thing. So I will show you this thing, how it will work in our help document. Why I am showing you the help document, actually I will show you the live demo also, so you will get the clear picture and you will get one guide with you after this webinar, so you can work out, you can learn from that help document, and we are creating the videos and documents so you can get the help, how you can get the help from that. So that will be the second point of this webinar. Here I am showing you, we have that URL help.arco7.gofrugal.com. If you are in front of system, so I'm requesting you all, please open this help.arco7.gofrugal.com. Okay, now this is a search button. This is a search button. I want to explain you something in brief about this help document. This is complete help document about your product Arco7. Okay, so here is a search button. If you want to go through menu wise, so you can go to through menu wise also. Here is sales, purchase, inventory, tools, installation process, how you can install and reinstall the product, and release notes. Okay, video help, everything will be there. So we can search through the search button also. Salesman. Now you will get that multiple options for that, because from master to report we have that complete help document from master to report, and after that FAQs also. So you will maybe you will get that question of your answer. So whatever question you have, you can search in FAQs also. So first go through that salesman master. In salesman master, as I shown you that screen, same screen you will get here. Okay, so here you can get that detail about each and every field, like what is the name, what is the street, what thing need to fill in, address, commission, everything. Here you will get this underscore. Okay, so wherever you will get the underscore in this help document, you will get the notification, like you can click on this and you can get the more detail about this particular feature. Okay, so I'm clicking on this, like I have clicked regular. So the meaning is that salesman commission target is set based on item category to be sold. So for more detail, you can click on that particular button and you will get a complete detail here. So I will show you this thing in our product also. Okay, here you will get a path, like how you can set that regular salesman commission and where you have to go in product. So this is the path: sales, master, salesman commission, and commission screen will display like this. Here you can select these things like based on item name, based on category. Okay, if you will select based on item name, so it will ask that like a departmental, department, like you have that footwear or apparel or textiles, garment, and the salesman name, to which salesman you are going to give this commission percentage you are going to fix. So after that it will ask the product name. Okay, so after product name it will ask like commission percentage and type. This about this type and the target based on. So these things is little technical, so I will explain you how you can get help from product itself to get it to configure these all things. So in each and every screen, wherever you will face this kind of you will not able to type, or you will not able to understand what is this. So you just look that bottom side of that screen. Type means P percentage A amount. Target based on Q quantity A amount. So now I think the picture is clear. So what if you are going to give that 10% commission on this arrow product, P percentage based on amount, this is the target. Once you that salesman will achieve this target, he will get 10% commission based on this item, target. Okay. So like this you will get the complete detail about this in written. What is the department, what is the salesman name, product name, everything, how you can save it. So likewise you can get the detail from each and every screen. I am requesting you again, please open this document in your system if you are in front of system, so that you will get complete detail about this, and you will get confident also. If you have any question up to now, so you can press question button in your screen and you can type your question. Now I am showing you that next option of this salesman creation, aging. What is the aging actually? So you will get the complete definition about that aging. I will read and I will show you. To promote the sales of certain age items, like I as I told you, like you are going to clear the stock, or this is a off season kind of thing, hold stock in your store, this kind of commission is useful. So you can give this type of commission based on your stock clearance or off season kind of thing. So example also they have given, like first 10 days 12%, after that 10%. Okay, so this is the path for that. How you can go to this aging that commission slab, sales master, age set master, or you will get the screen. I will show you the same thing in our product. You can go to sales master, age set master. Okay, so if you will click on this, you will get the complete detail here. In same way, how it is working. So as we shown in that help document, like first will be from first first day of the month to 10th day. Okay, the commission will be 10 P. Here also I want to show you. You can look at bottom of that screen. Type means P means percentage, A means amount. So you can press P for if you are giving the commission on percentage, or press A if you want to give the commission on based on amount. Okay, so like whatever sale this salesman will do, so he will get that commission based on this slab. Okay, from 11th to 20th day 12%, 21st first to 30th 15%. So if you have any doubt about these fields, so you can go and you can go through this document. What are that things we have given the complete detail about up to save. Okay, the same thing if you want to give that age for that particular based on item, this is based on overall sale about that particular if particular salesman. And now one more thing I want to clear here, like you are creating one salesman. Okay, about this only, sales age master. You have created this sales age master, like from 1st to 10th 10%, 11th to 20 12%, and 21st to 30 15%. Now you have to map this age set master to item. Okay, so you can see here, now we are creating one age set master. and this is the name is aging 2. Okay, so same thing you are selecting here in the next screen, age set versus item. So like this item, if you will sell in the first 10 days of the month, so you will get 10%. Okay, next you can define, if you will sell this item in 11th to 20th of this month, you will get 12%. Okay, so based on that your sale, your flow based on days also, if you will look into market, you will come to know like on Monday, Tuesday maybe there is some less sale. So based on that also some businessmen are defining that salesman commission. If you will do more sale in that non-business days, so you will get more commission. If you will do the business in some non in this Monday, Tuesday kind of thing, so you will get more commission. So like this you can define. So you can define that monthly and weekly and daily also. I got one question here actually, how we can set this regular, age wise and scheme for that particular supplier at a time. So I want to explain you. This is a very good question. I think most of our respective customers and you are thinking about this. So as you can see in our salesman master, you can select at a time only one commission type. Okay. So if this is a aging base, if you want to select that commission based on age, so you have to select only one. You can't select more than one, because it will be more confusable for you also and for us to create the reports. So likewise you can give that I will show you the thing. You can cover these all things in under one slab. So based on that, which one is suitable for you according to your business hours, business time, business days. So you can set that salesman commission based on your business flow. So while you are selecting, while you are creating one salesman, so that commission, you can commission type, you can select at a time one only from regular, aging or scheme. Okay. So hope this is clear. So now let us move for the next option. Okay, let us move for the next slide. Now I hope that this option is clear. Next one, age set versus master, age set master, age set master versus item mapping and age set master. Now I want to explain the next point, scheme. As I told while I was explaining that salesman master, that scheme based commission. Scheme based commission is some festival time, some monthly offers, or some stock clearance, or seasonal or off season kind of thing, in that situation that will be very very useful for you to set that commission based on scheme. Okay, so for that actually we have given another menu. You can go, the path is sales master salesman commission new. Okay, so in, as you can see on the screen, in that menu you can define, you can give the name like scheme 1, and this will be based on product or based on category. I would like to show you here, sales master salesman commission new. Okay, so here you can give any name. I'm giving seasonal one. Okay, here you can select the product. This is based on product only. And category. Okay, so you can select the based on product and based on category, both one. You just press enter on this, you will get the option to choose whether you are going with product or you are going with the category. Okay, so I'm selecting the product here. Now from date and to date, like you are giving a scheme for that particular period, so you can give that commission also. Okay, like I'm giving from today is 2nd to, I will give 20. Okay, so once you will select the salesman based on a scheme, that particular salesman will load here automatically. I will create one salesman. I will give the commission type scheme. Okay, I want to repeat it once again. Actually, this is a very very important point. Once you will create any salesman, that type of commission is important, and this is only the one way where you can set your commission for your salesman, and that salesman will reflect in your particular commission slab screen. We are getting many questions like you will create one salesman, but it is not loading in this screen. Okay, so while you are creating one salesman, please make sure that commission type of commission should be correct. If I will give here that commission type of commission none or like regular, let us see how it will affect. Okay, now I'm loading this salesman here, but it will not load. Okay, so now I'm changing that commission type. If I'm loading on a scheme based commission, so it should be scheme, and I have saved it. Okay, so now you can see it is loading. Okay, so the thing is, once you will create one salesman and you are going to define that commission for that particular salesman, this is based on regular, based on age, or based on scheme. So please give that commission type, salesman commission type in item master properly. If it is not loading on that particular screen, please go back and check whether you have given that proper commission type or not. Okay, here you can select that item, you can give the target from to. Okay, commission type, sorry, commission percentage. This is based on amount or based on percentage. Okay. In this scheme, you can press A and P. Okay. Based on quantity or based on amount. Like if you will define the quantity, okay, in this period, if you will sell 100 quantity, so you will be able to get 10% commission on that overall sale. Or like if you will touch up to that 50,000, 60,000 sale or 1 lakh sale, so you will get 5% or 6% commission. So you can define here based on item or based on your amount, based on quantity or based on amount. Okay. Here based on amount and based on percentage, what commission you are going to give. So the main thing is why we have conducted this, to explain this help document. Okay. So you can save this thing with pressing F9. Okay. So after this, hope this salesman master creation is clear to all. If you have any doubt in this, please press the question button and type your question. We will answer one by one, then we will move forward to the next topic. We got very good question from Mr. Narayan Todi. Actually, he is asking can we give that commission based on a particular barcode in our stock? This is very depth solution. Question is in very depth. The purpose is in your overall stock. In your overall stock for that particular item, particular category, one particular combination is not moving fast. It is still there. You can say this is a non-moving stock kind of thing. So you don't want to give that commission for that particular product and for that particular category. You want to give the commission on that particular piece. I'm repeating again. You want to give the commission on that particular item, on that particular barcode. So can we give that commission so we can clear the stock faster? So the question is yes. The question is this actually. We have the complete solution for that. Thanks to Mr. Narayan Todi to ask this question. We have the date-wise pricing. I will show you. In date-wise pricing, you can give the date from date to date. Here, this is your margin percentage, salesman commission. Okay. So salesman commission you can give here, and that salesman commission value. This is based on percentage or based on amount. If you want to give based on percentage you can give, or amount also you can give. Okay. So here you can give that like a 10% I am giving. This is your unique barcode or this is your custom barcode. Okay. Custom barcode means like date month barcode as you are using usually, and unique barcode means like you are using, you know, unique barcode. Who are using, they know very well. Now what is the barcode value? You can scan that particular barcode here. Okay, so based on that particular barcode, it will load automatic, and you can set that, you know, this we have already configured this commission. So once this item will sold out with this particular any particular salesman, so that commission automatically will add in that salesman account. One more thing I want to clear here actually. One second. Here you can't give any salesman name. You can't select any salesman name on this screen. The reason is this will be always on high priority. Okay. So whatever scheme you have configured in salesman master, and whatever scheme you are going on for the particular salesman, and this for this item also, and once this item will come on sale bill screen, so that commission will calculate on this scheme. If you will map this item, you know, in aging also, you are mapping this item in scheme also, you are mapping this item on a regular basis also. Once this item will come for sale, if you map this item on this date wise pricing, so this percentage will calculate. I am repeating again, if you will map this particular item in different schemes, now first thing, you can't select a particular salesman for this particular item. Okay. Second is, once if you will map this particular item with different scheme, like age wise or like scheme based commission, and here in date wise pricing also. So once this item will come for sale, this date wise pricing will calculate only. Okay, so the high priority will be always to date wise pricing. If you are giving the 5% commission on the other scheme for the particular item, and 10% commission for that in the date wise pricing for that particular barcode, it will calculate 10%, not 5%. So it should be very clear. If you are using date wise pricing, this will be on high priority. So the question is actually how we come to know that to whom this salesman commission, this commission will go. So this commission actually, once you will select this item on sales bill screen, so whoever salesman you are selecting, you know, whoever salesman you are selecting on that screen, on sales bill screen, it will go to that particular salesman. So this will be defined based on you know, at the time of billing. That salesman will define at the time of billing. You can't map salesman here on this screen for this particular date wise pricing. Katir have asked actually, can we map this salesman commission for all items, or how can we map this salesman commission for all items? So I will show you this that salesman commission scheme once again. Actually, I explain this thing in initial stage. Once you will create any salesman, so like I am giving one salesman name Raju, and you are giving that this for this salesman actually I am giving 5% commission. Okay, this is enough. If you want to calculate this commission for all items, these details are enough. Now you can save it. Once you will save it, this salesman commission should be none. Then only it will calculate for all items. Okay. If you will select any particular type of commission here, regular or aging or scheme, so that calculation that commission will calculate based on that slab, on regular, on aging or in scheme. If you will give here a none, that commission will calculate on overall products and overall sale. I want to show you this thing actually. I am creating one salesman. I will give that commission 10%, so we all come to know. Now I am selling any product. Okay, I took 100 quantity, and here I selected that salesman Raju. So we have defined 10% commission. I will show you the report. Okay, salesman commission summary, date wise, filter the date. Here in this screen you can filter particular salesman also, particular transaction, agent commission kind of thing, as we have one only. So I will show you. Here this is a salesman name. Okay, so total number of bill 1, quantity 100, 500 is total gross amount. Okay, so GST, IGST, CGST, all things will calculate. Now the total commission amount is 50 rupees. Okay, as based on 500, 10% was that commission. So total commission amount is 50 rupees, 50. Okay, so same way, actually in the same report you can get this. The report will not be based on age wise or something. One report we have based on date wise pricing. Okay, but the overall summary you can get from this report. Type here salesman. Okay, these all are the reports and menus are available related to salesman. Okay, summary, date wise. So here you can filter this, give the date, up to what date you are going to filter. Here you will get the complete summary. Okay, so hope these things are clear. Please go through that reports. There is many reports are there. I will show you some important reports. This is based on slab. Salesman commission summary based on slab, date wise, return. How much return you got from that particular salesman. Okay, that will be separate report for that. Okay, so commission detail, like you given 5%, 2%, 2.5 in detail. That is a summary. This is a detail. This is a month wise. Okay, this is a category wise, item wise. So like this, many more reports are there. This is a report where you can get salesman sales and sales return under the single report. Okay, so I think these things are clear. So I want to summarize once again what we have discussed in this. Here we discussed about that salesman master, what is the purpose of that salesman master, and how it will be beneficial, what type of salesman we can create, and how it will work. And that we have explained the complete help document, how you can go through the help document and get configure this complete salesman lab by your own. Okay, so this is very important thing. Please search that help through the help documents and videos. So if required, we will create the videos also based on your interest. Suggest us through my Go Frugal app if you want to, if someone need any video, and please go through the help document and start using these features. Okay, so about that upcoming webinars also I want to clear explain in a single line. Per week we have the webinar 4:30 to 5:30. So based on topic only. If you want any specific module you want to learn, so you can suggest us. Like this module we want to learn. So based on request, we will conduct the webinar according to your request. Okay, according to your business flow, according to your needs. So we will conduct the webinar. Last 5 minutes are there, so please ask more questions whatever you have, so we will answer one by one. We got a lot of questions from you. Actually, we are due to time shortage, we will be unable to give the answer for all. But don't worry, we will send you that complete, detail about your question. We will send you that complete answer on the message. right now, and if something is remaining, we will send you the mail. Okay, so if you want to clear anything, please post more and more questions. Last 2 minutes are there, so we will if something is like to publish, so we will explain to you here, and we will answer your questions. Thank you all for your valuable time. Actually, this is lot of aspirations for us. It is giving more motivation as you are attending this type of webinars and giving persons. We are doing these all things for you only. So please suggest more and more questions if you need somewhere to train you, or some module need to cover based on your business flow. So we will check that percentage, or we will check that majority of the question, and based on that we will conduct the webinar. Okay, so I'm really thankful you all, as you have given your important time from the busy schedule. Thank you all. Have a nice day.